Question number 2. Find the LCM and HCF of the following pairs of integers and verify that LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. Example first, 26 and 91. 26 divisible by 2. 2 13s are 26. 13 prime number, 13 divisible by 13. 13 ones are 13. 91 divisible by 7. 7 13s are 91. 13 prime number, 13 divisible by 13. 13 ones are 13. 26 is equal to 2 into 13. 91 is equal to 7 into 13. HCF is equal to 13. LCM is equal to 13 into 2 into 7 is equal to product is 182. Product of 26 and 91 is equal to 26 into 91 is equal to 2366. Product of HCF and LCM is equal to 13 into 182 is equal to product is 2366.